Let's do something that many people find difficult, but is actually very simple. We're going to draw an equation. Take this one. Y equals 2 times x plus 1. It might look abstract, but this formula immediately tells us two things. If x is 0, everything with x disappears. Y equals 1. So, the graph passes through the point 0, 1. That is always the starting point. Now the second part, the 2 in front of x. It tells us how the line moves. Every time x moves 1 step to the right, y goes 2 steps up. At x equals 1, y equals 3. You now have 2 points. If you connect those points, you get a straight line. And that line is the graph of y equals 2 times x plus 1. Let's do one more example. Y equals minus x plus 3. First, the starting point. If x is 0, y equals 3. Now the negative one. Every step to the right, y goes 1 step down. Connect the points and you see the line. Every step to the right, y goes 1 step down. For every equation of the form, y equals a times x plus b. B tells you where the line starts. A tells you whether the line goes up or down and how steep it is. That's all you need to remember. No formulas, no tricks, and once you understand it, you'll never forget it.